Florida A&M University School of Nursing opened its simulation lab for students to gain hands-on clinical experience. The Simulation Center features 6 simulation bays that are equipped with the latest technology, high-fidelity simulators, and task trainers. It includes 1 pediatric bay, 1 maternal child bay, 4 medical surgical bays, and a provider office for a nurse practitioner. Dean Shelley Johnson says the simulation lab is just one of many accomplishments.
For the bachelor's program, we have recently been granted continuing accreditation without conditions through 2026. That is for the traditional BSN program. Our RN to BSN program is growing, and we're really excited about it. And our MSN program, it has grown tremendously. It was very small, just a few students, and now we are over 40 students. So that's been the most growth pretty much in a very long time. I'd say at least 5 to 7 years.
Dean Johnson says the simulation lab will bridge the gap between theory and clinical practice through immersive, procedural, and mixed reality, virtual and augmented simulation. She also thanks alumni for stepping in and supporting all nursing students.
When I first started, we did not have the resources allotted for the student success coaches, and I reached out to the alums who were, working nurses and asked if they could lend their time to help in doing some remediation and tutoring for our students, and they really stepped up.
The university secured $2 million in federal funding over 3 years to finance the construction and equipping of the 1,500 square foot facility. Higher education emergency relief funds and Title III dollars were used to complete the work. For Florida A&M University, I'm Giovanni Hampton.